Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ahmad and I am coming with crypto related new project. The name of this project is NN Coin. NN Coin real estate business world more trading. NN Coin become an owner of high yield assets around the world in minutes. Users instantly receive monthly rental income and their respective capital gain by investing in the properties they are prefer. You can visit white paper for every type of information. Discover more. This is a white paper for every type of information like benefits, higher yields, monthly passive income, investing with lower amount, investing with real uh, anywhere in the world, manage over this valid portfolio. This is all beneficials points showing in a white paper. NN Visions tokenize real estate worldwide in one of the major concept applications of blockchains. They believe that the opportunity is a quickly large for us and other players in the market. Any investor can exchange investment share instantly. The real estate market allowing the instantaneous real estate transaction to lower cost and higher profitability. These transactions are a fully transparent source and are recorded on their blockchain, which means that investors now have the ability to market informed decisions with open access discussions with open access to the preference of each property. Their goal is to provide worldwide assets real estate investment. They can choose the number of shares participate they which obtain from the appointment, a house, and any place of a land, etc. Guys, NN Coin revenue source 10% fees on rental income and a capital gains. NN Coins Ltd generate income as well as its investor. NNCoin charge only a 10% fees on investor profits. NNCoin Bank. NNCoin has a banking license and can a wide range of financial products and a financial service to its customer. Redemption real estate of tokens. Each time investor invests in new properties, NNCoin buys NNC tokens directly on the exchanges. Main information in the NNC token price. These tokens are locked for a certain period of time. When they are unlocked, a part of these tokens are resold to NNC NN coin. Other source of income. NN coin may receive the additional source of a revenue from a brokerage services, business and luxury transaction and rentals. Membership of the Purity Investor Pass. After the listing, investors who want to subscribe the pass of must pay a monthly subscription fees payable in NNC tokens in order to access the benefits to Purity Investor Pass. Professional subscriptions. Professionals who wish to sell on or rent their goods showing the NNC platform will benefit from a specific membership. NN Coin a different strategy. NN Coin is looking the best investment opportunity around the world after the analyzing the attractive on the investments. NN Coin's teams and its partners select the best properties on the select in made. NN Coins negotiations the teams and conditions are proceed with the auctions of the properties and the property are added to the platform and tokenizing investor the types of properties and then objective their worldwide range of investment including the kinds of property such a primary residential, secondary resident, professional and personal rental investment. These are more strategy of NN coins. Roadmap. First phase is a listing. Second phase launch the rental applications. Third phase NNCoin by the is land in 2024. Fourth phase is land developments. NNCoin exchange development is a fifth phase. Quick links home about NN coins. NN coin bank contact us and every type of information. You can visit their website and Twitter and Telegram for get question and answers. NN Coin, when a new property is launched on their platform, are defined the percentage of its will be distributed of NNC holder to the NN Coin launchpad. Between the announcement of a new property on NN Coin and its listing, you will able to lock your NNC in land launchpad to obtain a reward equally to the participants. The more participants is the launchpad, the lower the reward, but this will make the price of NNC token to rise in parallel. In additions, it's allow you put your NNC at a work between property sales. This magnesium world this mag- this magnesium will allow us to the distribute gift the community while helping to create buying purchase pressure on the token. Since the fuse token there are circulations there higher that price will be, the percentage distributed will vary between each property depending on its profitability and price. So guys, you can must join this project. Forget every type of information. You can visit their website, white paper, and question answer. You can visit Telegram and Twitter. Don't miss this project. This type project is not come again and again. Thank you.